1. Vacuum tube was used as the basic components for the memory and CPU of the A. First-generation computer, B. Second-generation computer, C. Third-generation computer, D. Fourth-generation computer. 2. Capacitance of capacitor is measured in A. Coulomb, B. Farad, C. Henry, D. Ohm. Kirchhoff's current law at junction deals with A. Conservation of charge, B. Conservation of energy, C. Conservation of momentum, D. Conservation of angular momentum. 4. While testing a capacitor with ohmmeter, if the capacitor shows charging, but the final resistance reading is appreciably less than normal, the capacitor is A. Leaky, B. Open-circuited, C. Short-circuited, D. Satisfactory. 5. Which law states that the algebraic sum of the product of current and resistance in a closed loop is equal to the sum of the nth around the closed loop? A. Kirchhoff's law, B. Ohm's law, C. Newton's single-quote law, D. None of the above. 6. The brain of any computer system is A. ALU, B. Memory, C. CPU, D. Control unit. The internal resistance of a voltmeter must be very high so that A. Minimum current passes through the meter, B. Range is high, C. Accuracy is high, D. Loading effect is maximum. 8. A computer program that converts assembly language to machine language is A. Compiler, B. Interpreter, C. Assembler, D. Comparator. 9. The time required for the fetch.ing and execution of one simple machine instruction is A. Delay time, B. CPU cycle, C. Real time, D. Seek time. UNIVAC was the A. First and most powerful computer commercially available in that period, B. Capable of processing numeric and alphanumeric data, C. Based on principle of stored memory of John von Neumann, D. All of the above. Specialized program that allows user to utilize and specific application is classified as A. Relative program, B. Application program, C. Replicate program, D. All of the above. A system of three forces acts on a body and keeps it in equilibrium. The forces needs to A. Be coplanar only, B. Be concurrent only, C. Both and B, D. None of the above. One of the strategic planning techniques in management is SOT analysis, which means A. Sketch.h, watch, organize, teaching analysis, B. Schedule, work, order, testing analysis, C. Strength, weakness, organize, tell analysis, D. Strengths, weakness, opportunities, threats analysis. Bureaucracy theory of management was proposed by A. Henry Fayol, B. Max Weber, C. Frederick Taylor, D. Charles Handy. Following is not important managerial skill: A. Technical skill, B. Conceptual skill, C. Human relation skill, D. Procrastination skill. In what way increase in productivity helps in management? A. Better working condition, B. To stand better in market, C. Job security and satisfaction, D. Reduce the price of article. It all depends on the variables of a situation best describes the A. Classical approach, B. Human relation approach, C. Systems approach, D. Contingency approach. Studying the future and arranging the means for dealing with it is part of the process of A. Organizing, B. Commanding, C. Controlling, D. Planning. According to Frederick Taylor, who was to blame for the inefficiency in organization? A. The unions, B. The managers, C. The organization as a whole, D. The workers. Which is a management science theory? A. Operations management, B. TQM, C. Miss, D. None of the above. In the internal combustion engine, A. Combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine, B. Working pressure inside the cylinder is very low, C. Working temperature inside the cylinder is very low, D. Efficiency is always more than 80%. In a petrol engine, the correct proportion of the fuel vapor is supplied to the engine cylinder in the stroke. A. Compression, B. Expansion, C. Exhaust. D. Suction. The ignition quality of diesel fuel used in the engine is expressed by its A. Calorific value. B. Octane number. C. Citin number. D. All of the above. The internal combustion engine is a heat engine that converts A. Chemical energy and fuel into mechanical energy. B. Water energy into chemical energy and fuel. C. Mechanical energy into chemical energy and fuel. D. None of the above. Four-stroke petrol engine theoretically operates on A. Otto cycle. B. Joule cycle. C. Brayton cycle. D. Bell-Coleman cycle. In motorcycles, the following type of cooling system is used: cooling system: air. B. Water. C. Both and B. D. None of the above. In water cooling system with pump circulation system, the following pump is used: A. Centrifugal pump. B. Reciprocating pump. C. Rotary vane pump. D. All of the above. Viscous index is a measure for the change in viscosity with change in A. Temperature. B. Pressure. C. Volume. D. All of the above. Internal combustion engine is not used as primary power source for A. Automobile. B. Generator. C. A 10-ton road roller. D. Modern jet plane. V-shape engine design allows to A. Increase the thermal efficiency. B. Reduce the cost of production. C. Shorten the length of engine. D. None of the above. The system in which heat is removed from low-temperature body and delivered to high-temperature body is known as system A. Superheating. B. Refrigeration. C. Evaporation. D. Dehumidification. Desirable property of a refrigerant is A. Low critical temperature. B. Low latent heat of vaporization. C. High specific volume of vapor. D. Low boiling point. During a refrigeration cycle, heat is rejected by the refrigerant in A. Compressor. B. Condenser. C. Evaporator. D. Expansion valve. Subcooling is the process of cooling the refrigerant in vapor compression system. A. Before compression. B. After compression. C. Before throttling. D. After throttling. 1 ton of refrigerating machine means A. 1 ton is the total mass of the system. B. 1 ton of refrigerant is used. C. 1 ton of water can be converted into ice. D. 1 ton of ice when melts from 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours. The refrigeration effect produced is equivalent to 210 kilojoules/min. Which of the following refrigerant has highest toxicity? A. Freon 12. B. Ammonia. C. Sulfur dioxide. D. Carbon dioxide. For better cop, the pressure range corresponding to temperature in evaporator and condenser must be A. Small. B. Equal. C. High. D. None of the above. The moisture in a refrigerant is removed by A. Evaporator. B. Expansion valve. C. Dehumidifier. D. Dryers. Select the false statement. A. Petrol engine works on the Otto cycle. B. Diesel engine works on the diesel cycle. C. Compression ratio of diesel engine is higher than that of petrol engine, generating equal power. D. Carburetor is fitted in diesel engine. In a 4-stroke petrol engine, the charge is ignited at dead center. A. 30 degrees before bottom. B. 30 degrees after bottom. C. 30 degrees before top. D. 30 degrees after top. Stoichiometric ratio is the A. Chemically correct air-fuel ratio by weight. B. Chemically correct air-fuel ratio by volume. C. Actual air-fuel ratio for getting maximum efficiency. D. None of the above. Combustion in automotive engine is affected by A. Atmospheric pressure. B. Change in air temperature. C. Humidity. D. All of the above. What carries the driving wheels of a vehicle? A. Crankshaft. B. Crank and slider. C. Propeller shaft. D. Axles. The automobile gears are generally made of A. Cast iron. B. Mild steel. C. Alloy steel. D. Cast steel. The following prove it as the smooth means of disengagement and engagement between the engine and the remainder of the transmission system. A. Clutch. B. Gearbox. C. Propeller shaft. D. Differential. In four-wheel drive there is R. A. No-live axle. B. 1 live axle. C. 2 live axle. D. 1 dead axle. The torque at the driving wheels gives rise to a propulsive force between wheels and roads known as A. Tractive force. B. Driving effort. C. Braking thrust. D. None of the above. Engine oil of an automobile should be changed. A. According to one's experience. B. Every 1,000 kilometers. C. Depends upon the quality of engine. D. As per manufacturer's recommendation. The working cycle in case of 4-stroke engine is completed in following number of revolution of crankshaft. A. 1/2. B. 1. C. 2. D. 4. If the intake air temperature of IC engine increases, its efficiency will A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Remain same. D. Depend on other factors.